Welcome back to the ancient city of Pompeii. In this video, we explore one of the most interesting places that reveals everyday life in ancient Roman society, the Thermopolium. A thermopolium was essentially a Roman street food shop. The name comes from the Greek words meaning a place where hot food is sold. These small food counters were very common in Roman cities and were popular places where people could quickly buy ready-to-eat meals. In Pompeii, archaeologists have discovered around 80 thermopolia, which shows how important these food shops were for daily life. Many residents of Pompeii lived in houses without proper kitchens, so they often relied on these food stalls to buy meals. The structure of a thermopolium was quite simple, but very practical. The shop usually had a large masonry counter facing the street, where customers could easily approach and order food. Built into the counter were large clay containers called dolia. These containers were used to store hot food, wine, or other ingredients. Some might have contained soups, stews, beans, vegetables, or cooked meats. The food was kept warm and ready to serve throughout the day. Customers would stop by the counter, choose their food, and either eat nearby or take it with them. In many ways, the Thermopolium functioned like a modern fast food restaurant or street cafe. One of the most famous thermopolia discovered in Pompeii is known for its beautifully preserved decorations. The counter was painted with colourful frescoes showing images of animals and food items such as chickens, ducks, and other ingredients. These images may have acted like a menu, showing customers what was available to eat. Archaeologists have also discovered traces of food inside the containers. Analysis revealed remains of ingredients like pork, fish, snails, and beans. These findings help historians understand what people in Pompeii actually ate nearly 2,000 years ago. The Thermopolium was more than just a place to eat. It was also a social gathering point. People would stop here to talk with friends, exchange news, and take a break from their daily work. In the busy streets of Pompeii, these small shops helped create a lively and active urban environment. The location of thermopolia was also important. Many of them were built near busy intersections, marketplaces, and public buildings where large numbers of people passed by every day. Unfortunately, daily life in Pompeii came to a sudden end in 79 AD when Mount Vesuvius erupted. The volcanic ash buried the city, preserving buildings, objects, and even food remains. Because of this tragic event, archaeologists today can study places like the Thermopolium in incredible detail. These discoveries allow us to better understand the daily habits, food culture, and social life of ancient Romans. Today, when visitors walk through Pompeii, they can still see the stone counters and containers of these ancient food shops. Standing in front of a thermopolium, it is easy to imagine the bustling atmosphere of the city, customers ordering meals, merchants serving food, and conversations filling the street. The thermopolium is a powerful reminder that even in ancient times, people enjoyed quick meals, street food, and social gatherings, just like we do today.